Hello, hope everyone's having a great day at Master Locksmiths and Safe Service when you watch this video. What I'm going to do is just go over three quick things that we utilize to help a business grow on Google. All right, and we're just going to go over backlinks, we're going to go over citations, and we're going to go over content. Okay? All right, so a customer's journey begins, of course, by needing a service and then going to Google to look. All right, so say your customer is looking for a locksmith in your area. What they're going to do is first they're going to find this map pack with this is what we call the map pack, and usually 30% of the people choose the top three. And 70% of the people go around here and find someone and look down here in the organic search results. Okay, but hardly no one goes to page 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. So staying on this first page for the main keywords and being in this top map pack is what we want. Okay, so I want to congratulate you in being in the top three map pack. Okay, so that is an accomplishment right there. So you're doing good in that aspect. Oh yes, because most of the people are just going to look up there and they're just going to call. um so you want to make sure that you have citations as well, which is how many times your business name, address, phone number is listed across the internet. Okay, so if someone is to type in your business name, you want it to be on multiple pages because that helps Google know you're credible and it helps the customer to find you. All right, so I want to also congratulate you on having multiple citations. I went to the second page. There you are again, Master Locksmith and Key on the yellow pages. Okay. I go to the third page. Here you are there. And then it kind of starts to dwindle down. Okay. So if you have more citations, it'll be showing up. It'll keep going. You'll be showing up on the third page, the fourth page, fifth page, seventh page, eighth page. That way it lets Google know, hey, this guy is everywhere. They're credible. And it also um, it kind of forces the competition out more as well too, having those citations and listings everywhere. Okay, so that's awesome. An awesome thing that's going to help people rank. Okay, and then just making sure you have your actual Google profile optimized even more so you can hold your ranking that you currently have, so you can keep it. And also, just keeping the customers informed with pictures, the correct description and products and all of that stuff, and that helps you rank. So another only thing I miss that was missing is your website. So it looks like you pretty much have like you have some citations going. Of course, everyone could always use more. You're up in the map pack, but another thing I noticed that you I wasn't able to find a website for you guys. So that's leading me into the next thing that I want to talk about, which is content. So what I did was I just pulled up someone else who's advertising the locksmiths in the area, another website. It honestly, I don't think it would be hard if you did want to get a website and be in the first position organically here, right here, with someone, because you guys have about 250 people looking for a locksmith every month at least. So I know that we could get you here in this spot. It shouldn't be an issue to get you here in this spot if you wanted, and you would actually get more calls because the people that don't come through here, they're gonna fall through here. Okay, so yeah, just didn't notice you guys have a website, so I'm going to go ahead and use these guys for an example. Um, for content. So what Google likes is they like content. So I'm just using these guys because they're an area, but actually they like about 1,500 words of content on the first page. So you just having a little bit more than your competitor in this instance, just having like 800 words on the first page will look like it would actually beat them out in ranking. So just having your website with the right content, the right words for each service on here, which would even be a little bit more detailed than his. And that's what Google is looking for. Okay. And then up here, they want to make sure everything is structured, that you have all your services listed up here and categorized. And then on each service page, putting about 500 words or so on the actual service pages. Okay, so that's something that Google is looking for, and you want to make sure, of course, that you have keywords up here and throughout the text that lets Google know, hey, this is a locksmith in, Chillicothe. Sorry if I didn't say that right. I'm from Ohio, but I'm from Akron, and I don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry, but yeah. So if you're in Chillicothe, or um, you want people to find you, and so basically having Chillicothe locksmith appear and throughout your wording and any other service you provide, it helps Google to push you to that top spot that we all love and adore because it brings us more traffic, it brings us more business. Okay, so yeah, making sure you have a website that is optimized with the right wording and content is um, crucial to getting that top spot. Okay, so what I did was I threw in a competitor again, just for the sake of an example. What we're looking at here is ARES. This is a software that gives you the backend information on a website. The traffic that's going on with it, the history of it, and all the good information that you would need. Um, I'm going to go ahead and reference backlinks. And what a backlink is it's a link from another website pointing back to your website. So it gives you credibility with Google and it lets them know that you're a legit company and that you're a real business because hey, they're like this website has websites from all over the internet pointing back. Here's a website called bestratedlist.com. Find the best locksmith services near me. So somewhere on that website they have a link pointing back to these people's website, Key Me Locksmiths, and it's helping Key Me Locksmiths look credible with Google because they have someone else pointing to them, giving them a good reputation. And so there's some links on that website. If you just click on it, it'll take you back to this original Key Me Locksmith website. So if once you have backlinks on other people's sites, it'll point back to your site, your business, Master Locksmiths, and that lets Google know, hey, this is a credible business. And it starts to help to push you up when you have all those backlinks coming from other websites. Okay, so that's a little bit on backlinks. And before I go, I just want to also just tell you a little bit about keywords and how you want to have them incorporated into your content because it actually does it does help and it doesn't matter. If you look at some of the keywords that is associated with this website, the 24/7 locksmith services, you see that when people are putting in these things like a key key cost kiosk, oh my gosh, a key kiosk, sorry for the language issues here, a copy key, when people are looking for those things, um you want to be the first person to pop up, and you do that by having the right optimized content. Okay, so when someone looks for a key copy near me, um basically, let's look at a good one because this is the first page and they have a lot of general keywords. So, say someone was looking for make keys, there's 7,000 people looking for that. They're in the fourth position for that on Google. So, they come up number 4. If someone's looking for keys near me, they come up number 1. They're in the number 1 position for that. So they're getting a lot of traffic by just, look at this, thousands and thousands of traffic by just simply wording their things correctly. So we just make sure that we're mindful of that and it helps us rank and everything like that. All right. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you maybe learned something that you didn't necessarily know before. Thank you again for your time. I hope that you would give me some feedback. Let me know how I did. And you can implement some of these tips. If not, you can always reach out to us, and we'll be happy to assist you guys. Either way, thank you again and have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye bye.